Hi everyone, and on this Halloween edition of Common Sense, I decided to give Wayne Mowbray the scariest subject I could think of. Statistics.
Well, Wayne, tonight is the big night. You are going to either beat Mr. Crossword, who's sitting over there actually, or you're going to lose and you won't get anything. So you could win a prize here.
Right.
So tonight is it's kind of Halloween night, so we're doing a very scary category. We're doing statistics.
Oh,
So
that
it's
is scary.
terrifying. Yeah.
That is terrifying.
Now you have 4 strikes now, which is really doing very well, and you still have 2 helping hands. You have your Ask Jared, and you have 1 eliminate. So
Okay.
you're basically in the same position as Mr. Crossword.
Okay.
So let's see how you do. Are you ready for this?
I'm ready.
All right, let's begin. Question number 1. What is a hypothesis called which states no relationship exists among variables, or that no change occurs over time? Is it A, type 1, B, fun, C, null, or D, negotiative?
Can you repeat it?
What is a hypothesis called which states no relationship exists among variables, or that no change occurred over time? Is it A, type 1, B, fun, C, null, or D, negotiative? So you had a pretty easy lightning round, but this category is going to be very challenging.
Yeah, I can tell.
Yeah.
I'm going to say null.
Is that your answer?
Yes, that is my answer.
That is correct. You still got your things. You're doing great. And also, we got an ultimate helping hand coming up, so you have a chance to really help yourself.
Okay.
All right, question number 2. How many basic forms of error are there to a null hypothesis? Is it A, 1 type, B, 2 type, C, 3 type, or D, 4 type? Human Lie Detector. Had to listen there to the way I was saying each of those answers. Think about how I said them. A,
That's
1
any
type,
chance I have.
B, 2 type, C, 3 type, D, 4 type. Well, the good news is you have 4 strikes, so no matter what happens here, you still got 3, you know.
True. I'm going to say 2 type.
Is that your answer?
That is my answer.
That's correct, too. You're doing great in statistics. Question number 3. Which of the following is not a type of average? Is it A, mode, B, correlation, C, median, or D, mode?
I'm going to say correlation B.
That is correct. That is correct. And I also seem to have made a mistake. I put mode twice. Yeah. But that technically, I'm technically right there anyways, because if you now you know it's down to 2. All right. Well, that was dumb of me. I apologize.
That's all right.
We don't really have a budget here. By the way, I do recognize that on my last episode my hair was sticking up. Neither me or Wayne noticed it before we started. So to continue this tradition, this episode I have 1 red eye. So each episode I'm going to have 1 little thing different with me.
One little flaw.
Yeah, just the way things go sometimes on a show like this. But anyways, question number 4. Which of the following is used in the context of null hypothesis in order to quantify the idea of statistic significance of evidence? A, p-value, B, h-value, C, x value, or D, y value? I know that question sounds very scary.
I am going to say X value.
Is that your answer?
Yes.
That is incorrect. You have received your first strike, but that's okay. You still have 3 more of those.
Okay.
And you are now at your ultimate helping hand. So this thing, I want to tell you, it can really help you out. You want to get this right. I mean, whatever you can do to get this right, you will win this section. You will beat Mr. Crossword if you get this ultimate helping hand. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the picture, and you're going to have to tell me what it is.
All right, what is this a picture of?
Okay. So, is it A, the p-value, B, Bayes' theorem, C, correlation theorem, or D, the Lorentz law?
Can I use a helping hand on this one?
Sure, which one would you like to use?
I have asked Jared.
Mm-hmm. And he gives you like a 50% chance of him telling the truth.
And then the other one is eliminate.
Eliminate one, yes. That'll eliminate one wrong answer.
I'm going to go with eliminate one.
All right. So it is not the p-value. It is either Bayes' theorem, the correlation theorem, or the Lorentz law.
I'm going to say it's the correlation theorem.
Is that your answer?
Yes.
I'm sorry, but that is incorrect. So you did not get the ultimate helping hand, and you are down to 2 strikes.
Okay.
So it's all right. I mean, you still have a chance here. You're almost done the section, and you've gotten quite a lot of them right, so you're doing pretty well in statistics. All right. But moving on to the 6th question. What are 2 axes on a graph called? Is it A, the NO axis, B, the LM axis, C, the BA axis, or D, the XY axis?
I'm going to say D, the XY axis.
That is correct. You're moving on to question number 7. Which of the following is not a type of graph? Is it A, the frequency graph, B, the bar graph, C, the frequency trigon, or D, the scatter plot? This is a tricky one.
Yeah. Not a type of graph.
2 strikes and you still have your Ask Jared.
I'm going to say the scatter plot.
Is that your answer?
Yes.
That is incorrect. So you're down to your last strike. But you're still okay. You could still beat Dad's score and you could still win a prize.
Okay.
So you just got to get past number 9. All right, so question 8. What is a correlation in statistics? Is it A, a different relationship between 2 or more things, B, a similar relationship between 2 things, C, the cause of something, or D, none of the above?
I'm going to say B, a similar relationship between 2 things.
Is that your answer?
Yes.
That is correct. So you're now on to question number 9. All right, so this one is a story question.
Okay.
So there was this famous game show where the host showed 3 doors, and the contestant had to guess which door was hiding this car behind it. So the contestant guessed door number 1, and it was revealed that he was wrong. So the game show host said that now there's a choice between door number 2 and number 3, and he was going to give the contestant a hint. It was not behind door number 3, it was behind door number 2. What is this famous, and according to statistics, it would be better for the contestant to go with what the game show host said. That would give them a better chance of winning. So what is this problem called? Is it A, the Monty Hall problem, B, the Toby Hall problem, C, the Molly Whitney problem, or D, the Roland Whitney problem?
A Monty Hall problem.
Is that your answer?
Yes.
That is correct. Congratulations. You seem
I knew
really
the
sure.
show.
Oh,
I knew the
you've
show.
seen it before?
Yes.
Oh man, I wasn't sure if you would get that one right. I was like,
I
this
think it was
one
Truth
might
or
be the one
Consequences, but-
that he loses on. But
Yeah.
congratulations, you have just beat Mr. Crossword. You are going to win a prize of some sort. I don't know what it will be yet. We're going to try to get you some money, hopefully. Nobody has donated to the Patreon yet, but hopefully by the time of this release, you will have a little bit. No matter what, we'll get you something. I'll get you like
Thank
maybe
you.
some pistachios or something like that.
That would be great.
All right. So, question number 10, and this is the big one. In statistics, what is it called when we are told how much a data sample is scattered? Is it A, the chaos distribution, B, the scatter plot, C, the measure of spread, or D, the median?
Could you repeat it, please?
In statistics, what is it called when we are told how much a data sample is scattered? Is it A, the chaos distribution, B, the scatter plot, C, the measure of spread, or D, the median?
I'm going to ask Jared.
All right, so Jared says the answer is measure of spread, and he feels 100% certain about that. So this is it, Mr. Crossword. You are the human lie detector. Can you tell if ask Jared... he doesn't have that option anymore. Can you tell if Jared is lying to you right now?
I think Jared's telling the truth.
Is that your answer?
That's my answer. Maybe.
Jared was telling the truth. You are, in fact, the human lie detector. Good job. Congratulations, Wayne. You made it through the third section. No matter what, I feel like you have common sense. That is for certain.
Good.
But we now have the lightning round. So let's do... The question is, of William Shakespeare's play, I just want you to name as many as you can. So it's not really a question, but yeah, just name the plays of Shakespeare.
Okay.
So you can begin now.
Romeo and Juliet, Hamlet, Midsummer Night's Dream,
45 seconds. Don't worry about pronunciation. We'll work with you on that. But you're down to half of a minute.
I'm drawing a blank. Romeo and Juliet, Midsummer Night's Dream, Hamlet.
15 seconds.
I'm drawing a blank. I can't. I'm sorry.
Oh, it's all right. But you're out of time. So you're doing really good. We're going to check those, see how many you got, figure some things out, and then we'll be right back with you.
All right.
So go. All right, Wayne. Well, I have good news for you. You are up to 3 strikes. You didn't get too many of the Shakespeare plays right, but you managed to get 1, so you managed to gain 1. And then when you beat a section, you get another strike.
Okay.
So you are up to 3 strikes. Some of the Shakespeare plays that you missed, All Wells That Ends Well, Much Ado About Nothing, King Lear, Macbeth, Timon of Athens, Love, Labor, Loss. There's a lot of them. I'm not going to name them all, but you get the idea.
Yeah.
So, Wayne, now you have a choice. Would you like to continue going, or would you just like to call it quits for tonight? It's up to you.
I'll continue.
You want to continue?
Yeah, I'll continue.
All right. So now we are moving into religion, and this is what it all comes down to. You've completed this many sections, and now it's all in the faith. Now it's a question of faith. All right. So this is question number 1, and remember, you got your 3 strikes, but you don't have any helping hands.
Right.
So it's going to be a little bit difficult, but I have faith in you, human lie
Faith.
detector. Yes, we're going to need a lot of it. So, question number 1. What is the most popular religion?
Do I get a choice?
Oh, yes. Sorry. A, atheism. B, Buddhism. C, Christianity. Or D, Muslim. So, what is the most popular religion?
I don't think atheism is technically a religion.
It depends on who you ask. It's kind of classified as one,
Is it?
but I don't know. You know,
Yeah.
it could be that this is just a trick answer. You know, no matter what. You know,
I still think it's. I think it's.
what is the most popular religion? Yes. And remember, Dad, you cannot help Wayne.
I was stuck, but I
I'm
can't
not
take
going to
it
answer
right
your
now.
phone. It's from Maryland. It was from Still Pond.
We don't have a budget on this show. We can't.
Sorry about that.
We're just a
Sorry
regular
about the
family
interruption.
group.
I'm stuck between Christianity and Muslim because there are a lot of Muslims in the world. I'm going to say Christians too. I'm going to say Muslim.
Is that your answer?
Yes.
That is incorrect. You're down to 2 strikes. All right, question number 2. Which is not one of the 5 pillars of Islam? Is it A, pilgrimage to Mecca, B, fasting, C, charity to the poor, or D, celebrating Ramadan every year?
Charity to the poor.
Is that your
C.
answer?
Yes.
That is incorrect. You are down to your last strike.
Ooh.
All right, so this is where it's all hanging on the balance now. So, the concept of God is complex in the Hindu religion and depends on what sect you follow. However, according to traditional Hinduism, which is not one of the 3 major gods, is it A, Vishnu, B, Shiva, C, Brahma, or D, Dharma?
Read again, please.
The concept of God is complex in the Hindu religion and depends on what sect you follow. However, according to traditional Hinduism, which is not one of the 3 major gods, is it A, Vishnu, B, Shiva, C, Brahma, or D, Dharma?
I'm going to say C, Brahma.
Is that your answer?
Yes.
That is incorrect. Well, congratulations, the Human Lie Detector. You have done better than any contestant on here. You're the first contestant ever to make it to 5 sections, and like I said, I believe you do have common sense. You've done great,
Well,
and
thank
you
you.
are going to get a prize for competing. So,
Thank you.
Thank you very much, and thank you all, and I hope you had a fun time on Common Sense. Any last words?
No, I had a great time. Thank
Oh,
you.
Thank you. See you later.
Bye, everyone.
I made a mistake. What the most popular religion is Christianity, and the one that wasn't true for the 5 pillars of Islam is celebrating Ramadan every year, and Dharma is not one of the 3 major gods. So I'm sorry about that, and thank you for coming back for that.
Oh, no problem. Yes,
So
thanks.
that's all. See you later.
Bye.
Really? Bye. Please support our Patreon page. And if you want to be contestant on Common Sense, you can reach us at seth.lewis007@gmail.com. Seth Lewis undercased. And also, just get this stuff out of my face. Just the best viewer, subscribe thing.